A very good afternoon to everyone and welcome to my channel again. Children, here's a question for you. Inverted comma start without any good morning, good afternoon. I'm just coming on the point because this question today was being discussed in the class. It was in sample paper and sorry to say nobody was able to answer. In Hindi and Punjabi everybody knew it, but they were not able to attempt in the English language. Inverted comma start. James Augustus Hickey published the Bengal Gazette, which was open to all but influenced by none. Justify. I'm repeating. James Augustus Hickey's Bengal Gazette was open to all but influenced by none. Now, this is the question for 3 marks. How would you discuss? What would you write? And if you don't have the concept, if you don't remember on the spot that James Augustus Hickey's role and then Gangadhar Bhattacharya and Warren Hastings gave him the warning that do not publish anything against the Britishers, how would you answer in the examination? One more question. What were the pros and cons? Yeah, what are the pros and cons of MNCs? If you know MNCs, you know the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages, merits and demerits. Other than MNCs, the dams can be there, the solar energy. Dams के भी plus points भी हैं, minus points भी हैं. Solar energy, advantages भी हैं, disadvantages भी हैं. So in this way, you can even group the questions like backbone questions. Agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy. The minerals are the backbone of Indian economy. Tertiary sector is the backbone of Indian economy. Secondary sector is the backbone of Indian economy. Then energy resources are the backbone of Indian economy. Backbone questions, difference questions, definition questions, and justify a concept or in your opinion. In your opinion वाले question में ही आपको थोड़ी सी freedom है जहाँ आप अपनी मर्जी से yes or no लिख सकते हो. Otherwise, if they ask you to justify the statement, whatever statement they have given, you have to justify. You have to think for and against whatever they have asked you. If they have asked you only dams are there for the development, but on the other hand, they bring displacement also, justify. Yeah, even some people are against the construction of dams. Why? So there you will write the negative points. Okay. Thank you. Bless you all and keep watching.